Who is he then? Jamie Trevor Oliver, born 27 May 1975 in Clavering, Essex in England, is a well-known chef worldwide. How did he start cooking? Since Jamie was 8, he used to spend the most of his time with his sister Annie Mary in their parents' pub called the Cricketers. By the time he was 11, Jamie was able to use simple ingredients in case to prepare stunning, impressive, and delicious dishes, and that's how his successful career began. But practicing different recipes in the kitchen of his parents' pub was simply not enough for Jamie. He wanted to learn more, so he left school at 16 and he went to a technical college so as to study food and nutrition. Firstly, he worked as a pastry chef preparing mouth-watering desserts in a famous Italian restaurant in London, where he gained valuable experience. Then, Jamie moved to the River Cafe as a sous chef. There, he was also spotted by a TV producer who saw a spark in him and offered him his own TV show. But Jamie had another goal to work toward. In 2005, he initiated a campaign called Fitting Better in order to encourage British school children to eat healthy food and cut out junk food. As a consequence, the British government was also motivated to address the issue. In his TV show, Jamie tried to prove that healthy food didn't have to be expensive or boring or mushy. Jamie has in turn opened a restaurant called 15 where he trains young people from poor families to work there. Now there are 15s all over the world, giving young people chances they would never dream of having. Jamie was lucky enough to find his passion when he was young and brave enough to use that passion as a way of making the world a better place. And as he said, all I ever wanted to do was make food accessible to everyone.